Do you sometimes have to make an official phone call in Spain or another Spanish-speaking country and you dread that moment when you have to explain why you're calling? Let me help you with it. Hello and welcome to another Spanish lesson with me, Eva. Today I will help you make those phone calls in Spanish and clearly say why you are calling. Okay, I recommend you keep these phone calls short and to the point. So don't try to get creative, just very simple, straightforward phrases or sentences. Say why you're calling, get it done, get it over with, and say goodbye. Okay, good. Okay, so the first thing, you dial the number, they answer the call, and you obviously have to greet the other person. Okay, so you might say hola, buenos días, buenas tardes, or if you're calling late at night, which in Spain is late in Spain has a very different meaning. You might even say hola, buenas noches, and then introduce yourself and say why you are calling. Okay, so first thing is greet. Hola, buenos días. Maybe it's in the afternoon, so you say buenas tardes or buenas noches even, okay? If you are calling later in the day, later in the evening. Hola, buenos días. And now you introduce yourself. Soy, and you say who you are. Okay. Sometimes you might want to help them with knowing who you are. Even if you say your name, you might want to say, I'm Eva from, and maybe the company you work for, or maybe something, anything that can help them understand, oh yeah, I know who you are, okay? In which case you will say soy. Again, this may not be necessary every time, but you might want to say soy Eva de, maybe the town where you're calling from, again, maybe the company that you're working for, maybe you're calling on their behalf. Okay, soy Eva, and also Eva de, and then something to sort of describe you, help them know which Eva you are, not that there are many in Spain. Okay, good. And now you say why you are calling, okay? Le llamo, I'm calling, or even in the past tense, le llamaba, I was calling, and then you say what for. Para. Le llamo or le llamaba para. And now, again, this could be a long lesson if I wrote down all the different possibilities, what it is that you might be calling for, but maybe you are calling to get an appointment, okay? So you might want to say, le llamo para pedir cita, to get an appointment, and you can say either with maybe a certain doctor or for something, I don't know, a car checkup. Pedir cita para, I don't know, the MOT, the regular sort of checkup for cars, in Spanish is ITV. Pedir cita para la ITV, o pedir cita con doctor, I don't know, Solis, or whatever name, no? You might want to just get some information, in which case you are calling to hacer una consulta. You just want to ask something, inform yourself. No, you've seen maybe their ad, or you know this company do certain things, offer some services, and you want to know more about it. So you are just calling, le llamo para hacer una consulta. Okay? Good. Or sometimes you know that the person answering will not be able to give you the appointment or answer your questions. You want to speak to someone specifically. Maybe you already know their name, in which case you might want to say, puedo hablar con. Can I speak to, again, you might even know the name of the person, or you might just say, can I speak to the person responsible for something, or can I speak to a certain department? Okay, puedo hablar con, or puede pasarme. Can you, puede pasarme con. Okay, can you pass this call on to someone else or a different department, okay? Or you can say, puede darme cita. If this person can actually give you an appointment or schedule you for something, then you can say, puede darme cita para, for something or with someone, con. Again, con Dr. Solís o para ITV, okay? Okay, or simply, without even saying what you're calling about, you just want to say, can I just speak with so-and-so? Or is so-and-so available? Está, I don't know, la señora Ordóñez, for example, no? Is Mrs. Ordóñez there? Is Mrs. Ordóñez available? Can I speak to Mrs. Ordóñez? Okay? So that, let's say, is fourth way to to say what you are calling about or who you want to speak to. Okay, good. Okay, again, start with a greeting. Say who you are, even though they might ask you again later if they haven't caught it, if they didn't sort of catch your name the first time. And then you say why you are calling, what your reason for calling is, and hopefully it will be a very straightforward conversation. The other person will know exactly what you want, and they will be able to do it for you, solve it, give you the appointment, or pass you on to someone else. Okay, so good luck, relax, take a deep breath, you can do it, and if you do it well, afterwards treat yourself to, I don't know, a glass of wine or a little bit of jamón or something, just to celebrate how well you did it. Okay, great. See you in the next lesson.